Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the third brake light on this 2006 Chevy Impala, same as any 06 to 2012 Impala. The only tools you'll need are a 10mm socket and ratchet and a pair of pliers.
Open the trunk so that we can remove the liner on the trunk lid there, and there are 4 plastic push pins that hold up that section of the trunk lid liner, and I'm going to use a pair of pliers to get in between the plastic and the carpeting area there. And as I do it, I'm going to be careful not to break it. I just use enough force to get my pliers underneath the lip of the little push pin and pull out those 4. I'll go ahead and pull down on the trunk lid liner, pull it around those 2 rubber stops and the little grab handle areas there, and pull it down out of the way. And you can see that it's held in with 2 10mm nuts, and there's the connector. I'm using a 10mm socket and socket wrench to remove those 2 nuts. Go ahead and fast forward as I do that. Go ahead and push the assembly from the outside in, and then I'm going to press in on the 2 clips, one on the right and one on the left there, and pull the assembly out. Then I'm going to need to disconnect that connector, and I found the best way to do that is with just a little pry tool. You can use your fingers if you had to. This one was a little tight, so I used a little pocket screwdriver and popped it right off. Install the third brake lamp assembly by pushing it from the inside of that trunk lid out and making sure that the holes in the assembly go around the studs there. And once you've got that in, you can go ahead and reinstall and tighten down on your 2 10mm nuts that hold that in place. I'll go ahead and fast forward as I do that. Now go ahead and reinstall the connector. Reinstall the trunk lid carpeting. Make sure to get it around those rubber stops. And then once you've got that in place, push everything in so it lines up, and definitely make sure that your emergency release cable handle is accessible. And then go ahead and reinstall the plastic push pins, the 4 of them that you took out.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.